Namaste, I'm Adi Shakti, and this is Behind the Asana. I want to talk to you today about one of the concepts in the Bhagavad Gita, which is this concept of Gyan, which is wisdom, and Vigyan, which is the application of wisdom. So Gyan is what we study. We understand the healthy foods that we're supposed to eat. We understand the lifestyle choices that we should have. We understand that we should meditate. We understand that we should be kind, that we should be open, that we should be loving, we should be present and aware. And the understanding of these things, the intellectual, theoretical ideas around these sorts of things come first, right? And then we slowly start to actually integrate this information that we've processed into our daily life. So Gyan is the wisdom, is the understanding of the wisdom. It's the study of the text. It's the using the mind as a tool to really begin to shape a direction where we want to take our life. The Vigyan is the actual application of that wisdom. So it is the living wisdom. It is the meditation every morning. It is taking in green, healthy food. It is the constant love and compassion and understanding for our fellow brothers and sisters on this planet. And at times we may step below that, right? We may revert back to old patterns. We may be particularly triggered by something and not respond in the most divine, loving, or wise way. And so as you continue to have this Gyan, this wisdom, I really encourage you to start to begin to cultivate more Vigyan, or living of that wisdom in your life. And so I think having an idea of those two different concepts, that actually starting to move towards Vigyan is an advanced practice. And have compassion for yourself, because we all fall occasionally from this place of where we know we can be. Our vibration, it changes throughout the day, and we're working on operating at a higher and higher frequency, a higher level of consciousness and of awakening. But there are times when a particular event really triggers us for whatever reason. But look at that; those times that you fall from grace, those are really the richest teaching opportunities for you in your life, to start to understand why. What is it about this that triggers me? Why is it that I am having trouble kind of following this more divine path that I've laid out for myself theoretically? So there's just two little things that they talk about in the Bhagavad Gita that I thought were interesting and wanted to share. So please like, comment, ask questions. I'm Adi Shakti. This is Behind the Asana, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.